G'day, I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook, and today I want to talk about these. These are called Trivets. Now, 10 years ago when I started camp oven cooking, everybody told me to go out and buy a trivet and put it in the bottom of the camp oven. That way your food doesn't burn. And being a beginner, it's the only way I knew because that's what people told me. But further on down the track, when I learned more about heat control, I figured out that I didn't need to use a trivet. Good friend of mine, Ron Wilson, taught me that. And starting out, you listen to everybody that tells you what to do. So that's why I've created all this information to help you learn camp oven cooking. So when it comes to a trivet, the reason why people use trivets in the bottom of the camp oven is it creates a space from the bottom of the oven to the food that you're cooking. Now this is good if you're going to be baking a cake and you're putting it in a tray, you can put a trivet in there. For sure, use a trivet. But if you're cooking a roast or something like that, put it in the bottom of the oven and just use less heat on the bottom. Ovens like these that have legs, or using a stand to keep the heat away from the bottom of the oven and just get that radiating heat, they're good. But if you don't have an oven that's got legs, make yourself one of these or buy something like this, and it's just a stand with a bit of Rio bar that I made up. You can put your down there, put your briquettes underneath it, and it creates that layer of space between the bottom of the oven to eliminate the need to use a trivet. So anyway guys, do definitely use a trivet if you want, but if you don't need one, don't use one. Don't overthink it. I'm Mick the Camp Oven Cook. Happy cooking. Well, if you're still watching now, make sure you like and subscribe my video so you get more notifications when I do some more. And also check out my free downloadable ebook on my website full of tasty recipes you can do in the camp oven. And I also have lots on my website as well. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Mick.